hope you have already seen my previous video star and delta conversion and delta star conversion. In this video, I am going to explain this problem. Determine the resistance between A and B. These are your points A and this is your point B. First, when you see this question, you will consider this as a very complicated question. But it's a simple question if we consider this circuit in an order. So here you can see a delta connection, that is this D, E and F. First you have to convert this delta into star. So first redraw this circuit and convert it into star. Then you can consider these points. This 12 ohm, 14 ohm and 20 by 3. Then you can easily find out the resistance between points A and B. So first redraw this circuit DEF. So here I have redrawn this circuit. This is in the form of a delta. So you have to convert this into star. So you can see between D and F 8 ohm. All these numbers are in ohms. So between D and D 12 ohm and between E and F 4 ohm. Now you have to determine the resistance across D, E and F. So RD is equal to 12 into 8 divided by 12 plus 4 plus 8. Consider this only. This point D branches to 12 ohm and 8 ohm. So you can take numerator as a 12 into 8 all divided by total resistance, that is 12 plus 8 plus 4. That is 96 divided by 24, which is equal to 4 ohm. Now similarly RE is equal to, here you can see E branches to 4 ohm and 12 ohm. So you can take 12 multiplied by 4 all divided by 12 plus 4 plus 12 plus 4 plus 8. Now it is 48 by 24, which is equal to 2 ohm. Now RF, similarly RF is equal to, F branches to 8 and 4. So 8 into 4 divided by 12 plus 4 plus 8, which is equal to 32 by 24. That is equal to 4 by 3 ohm. Now you have to redraw this circuit by using these values. Here you can see this circuit, that is A, B and C as such I have drawn. Inside this 12 ohm I have kept it 12 ohm, 14 ohm I have kept as such and 20 by 3 also as such I have kept. Then this circuit, that is DEF, replaced by RD 4 ohm. Then so I have kept D here. So this is your point D. Then RE 2 ohm. So I have kept E here and F 4 by 3 ohm. So now you can see this 12 ohm is in series with this 4 ohm. This 4 by 3 in series with the 20 by 3 and this 14 ohm in series with the 2 ohm. So you can easily redraw this circuit in this manner. So you can see 12 plus 4, which is equal to 16. 4 by 3 plus 20 by 3. 4 by 3 plus 20 by 3 is 24 by 3, which is equal to 8. And 14 plus 2, which is also equal to 16. Now you have to replace this in this manner. So this 32, this 32 and this outside 32 I have kept as such. Then inside circuit your star connection will come. So you have to redraw a star here. So you will be getting a circuit in this manner. 32, 32, 32. Inside you will be having 16, 16 and 8. Now you have to convert this star into delta. So for converting star into delta, you can name it as A, B and C. So you can take RAB is equal to combinations you can take. That is 3 combinations you have to take. You have to convert this star into delta. So you have to take 3 combinations. That is 16 into 8 plus 8 into 16 plus 16 into 16 divided by, if you are taking A and B, you have to consider C point, that is equal to 8. So combinations you have to take 16 into 8 plus all combinations 16, 8, then 8 into 16 plus 16 multiplied by 16 all divided by, if it is A and B, you have to take C. So all divided by C, which is equal to 8. This is equal to 64 ohm. Similarly, RBC also you have to take same numerator 16 into 8 plus 8 into 16 plus 16 multiplied by 16 all divided by, for B and C you have to take A. A is 16. So you have to divide it by 16. Here you will be getting result as 32 ohm. Similarly, RCA is equal to same combination in the numerator. For CA you have to take resistance in B. That is C and A is this. Resistance in B branch is 60. So you will be getting answer as 32 ohm itself. So you got RAB as 64, RBC as 32 and RCA is equal to 32. Now you have to redraw this circuit by delta connection. So you have to place these three as such and you have to replace this star as delta. Now you have to redraw this circuit. So I have redrawn this circuit in this manner. This 32 and this 32 as such I have kept. Then this 64 which is across RAB. So I have redrawn like this. Then this 32 across B and C. So I have kept it like this. And this 32 also across A and C. So I have keep it like this. Now you can see this 32 and 64 are in parallel. This 32 and 32 are in parallel and these two are in parallel. Now you have to calculate 32 parallel with the 64. Total resistance is equal to 32 multiplied by 64 divided by 32 plus 64, which is equal to 64 by 3 ohm. So you will be getting 64 by 3 ohm. These two resistances, that is 32 and 32, these are equal resistances. So you can take half. 32 and 32 when parallel, when you are doing parallel operation with the equal resistance, you will be getting value as half value. So for 32 parallel 32, you will be getting it as 16 ohm and other also you will be getting it as 16 ohm. Now you have to replace this circuit in this manner. 64 by 3, 16 and 16. You have to draw it neatly. 16, 16. Please. A, B, C. So you have to get the resistance between 2 points A and B. So here you can see this 16 ohm is in series with this 16 ohm, which is in parallel with this 64 by 3. So you can take 16 plus 16 parallel with the 64 by 3. So 16 plus 16 is 32 parallel with the 64 by 3. So you can get RAB is equal to 32 multiplied by 64 by 3 whole divided by 32 plus 64 by 3. Taking LCM and all, you will be getting answer as 12.8 ohm. Hope you have understood this problem. You have to study more problems like this. Then only you will be getting an idea of solving star or delta conversion or delta or star conversion. Please subscribe my channel, like my video and share it with your friends. Thank you.